Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Fire Colored Beetle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you my collection. Wait, I'm going to select collection and sex story. And this is how the Fire Colored Beetle looks like. And I'm going to show you the details about this insect. Oh. The active period is daily, so you can catch this insect daily, guys. And for the weather condition, it's only available during the sunny day, rainy day, or the rainbow event. And for the source, guys, I catched this insect from the Onsen Mountain. So first, you can go to the Onsen Mountain and you're going to equip your net. Then you can start to catch the Fire Colored Beetle. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Fire Colored Beetle in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.